Chaudhary back again with another video. So in this video, we will be talking about the Kotlin extensions, which are helpful in Android app development. So do watch this video till the end because we will be discussing some extensions which are used by the Google developers. So before starting the video, we should know like why do we use extensions? So there is a certain extended functionality of a class which we require at different places in our code. So instead of writing that functionality at different places multiple times, so we create an extension of that. So we call it wherever we need that functionality of that class. So in this video, we will be covering three types of extensions. First is UI extension or view extensions. So with these, we will perform UI related tasks. Second is the general extensions. So with these extensions, like they are not any particularly related to any UI or any background task, but they are kind of general extensions. Third are the background extensions. Like these extensions will be useful in executing our background task more easily. So let's start coding.
The extensions which we will discuss in this part are used for executing background tasks and are used by the Google developers. Yes, by the Google developers. So we usually make use of a suspend function to execute any background task. It can be either a DB operation or an API call. Now, suspend functions can only be executed in a coroutine scope, and we can get that using the viewModelScope.launch method. So the block method in the argument of this extension is a suspend function which we want to execute in this scope. So in case of an API call, an exception can arise. So to dodge that, we are using this try catch block inside this view model scope. Before proceeding to the next extension, there is a class which I have imported, and the name of that class is control runner. You can check the GitHub link in the description to check out this class, as I won't be explaining that much in the detail. So in this class, there are two suspend functions. First is the cancel previous then run. So it is used in the scenarios where we want to cancel all the currently executing calls, and in place of that we want to execute a new call. Second one is join previous or run. So it is used where we want to check whether there is a call which is currently executing, and if yes, then return the result of that call, else make a new call.
Now, let's make the extensions of those functions by extending the control runner class, and like the previous extension, we will be passing the suspend function in these extensions too, and that suspend function will be executed in the respective control runner function. And once we are done with the extensions, we will see that how we can use those extensions in our code. In our load request extension, we are passing a context to show a toast in the case of an exception. To get the application context in a view model, we can replace the normal view model with the Android view model. So by using that, we don't have to pass any context from a fragment or an activity. With the load request extension, we can call any suspend function in it without suspending the parent function. And since we are using the try catch block in that, the exception will be captured easily. So with this extension, we can execute our background task more easily. While initializing the control runner, we have to pass the response which we are expecting from the function that we will execute in that control runner extension. And since our control runner extensions are suspend functions, so they need to be executed in a coroutine scope, and that coroutine scope we can get from the load request extension. To understand this better, let's take an example. Suppose there is an API call which gets called at a button click. So in that case, we want to cancel the request which was started earlier with the click and then start a new call. So for that, we will use the cancel previous then run functionality, sorry, extension, which will provide us that functionality. In this video, we have only discussed a few number of extensions. So to check out all of them, click on the link in the description. Also, I have created a library for you. If you want to use all those extensions, simply import that library in your apps Gradle file and start using those. So this is all in this video. I hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if this video must have helped you in any way, hit the like button. Thank you.